Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aman Goraya. In this video I am going to divide it into 4 parts. In the first part I will give you a glimpse of the workout for the week. In second part we will discuss the topic on TDE and BMR. In third part I will give you details what were the challenges that I faced for the week. And in fourth part I will share what was the impact on my body weight along with how was the feel good factor for the week. So without any further ado, let's begin. So I've just completed my third running workout for the week. So in total I've completed all the 5 workouts. 3 were running workout and 2 body weight exercises. This time along with running workouts I've also incorporated battle rope workouts because I wanted to incorporate some upper body workout so that for the day it is a full body workout. So let's take you through the glimpse of the workout. Hello everyone, as mentioned previously, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is TDE. TDE stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure, and I've divided it into 3 components. Let's discuss this one by one and understand what's the importance of understanding how it can impact your transformation. So basically TDE is divided into 3 parts. First is BMR, which is the major chunk of expenditure, and BMR is basic metabolic rate. It represents the energy requirement of a human body when it is at standstill for 24 hours. So it would comprises of all the energy expenditure that is done by various organs when they do the involuntary activities such as heart pumping blood throughout the body, kidneys filtering out the liquids. Second component is PA. PA represents the physical activities which are divided into 2 parts, exercise and non-exercise. So exercise is the basic workouts that we do, and non-exercise are again the involuntary activities that we do, like brushing our teeth, taking bath, walking down the lane to catch train or to go to office, or climbing stairs. This all activities require some type of energy. And the third part is FTE. FTE is basically the food thermic effect. So whatever food we consume throughout the day, body needs some energy to digest this food, and it comprises of almost 10%. So all these percentages mentioned here are generic and it can vary from person to person. And to show the importance, let's turn these percentages into numbers and how you can use it for your transformation. So for example, TD for me is 2000. And yes, you don't need to get into the calculation part. There are various applications available online which can help you to calculate your TD, but that should be taken more as a benchmark and not the actual number. 2000 calories in a day right? BMR would come close to around 1200. Physical activity would be close to 600, and FTE would be 200, right? So if I have to use this calculation, what I can do is, if I know my TD is 2000, I have to increase my consumption of calories more than 2000 if my target is to gain weight, and if I have to reduce weight, then I have to make sure that I consume calories less than 2000. And how can you actually come to know what is your actual TD? So like application has given me that this is my 2000 calories are my total daily energy expenditure. What I will do is, for a week I will try to see what is my weight. So I will calculate see my weight for a week, right? And along with that, I have to monitor what is the calorie consumption for me for the day. So based on this, I can calculate whether the application has calculated 2000 as correct TD or not. If I am consuming some number of calories XYZ, right, and my weight has started going up, that means I am consuming more calories as compared to my expenditure. So I have to reduce it. So from 2000 I would reduce it to 1800, and then I will again monitor my weight and see what is the impact on that. So when your weight is stable throughout the week, at least for 7 days or 10 days, and if your consumption of calories is 1800, so that means your TD is actually 1800. Based on this, you can decide whether you have to increase your calories or reduce calories based on your goal. And it can be a very turning factor in your body transformation. I hope it was clear to everyone. If you have any questions or doubt related to this concept, please comment below and I would try to answer your queries. Now let's discuss the challenges for the week. So the first challenge that I am facing for this week is stiffness in muscle. So my muscles have got very tight, and for that I am trying few yoga poses. I am taking my cool down more seriously, and I am also trying to stretch my muscles. These three things are very important because if you work out on a stiff muscle, it can lead to injury. Second challenge is fatigue. So since all these activities are new to me, so I do feel fatigueness. Other than that, I don't think so there were any major challenges. Yes, one important thing is change in weather. Since weather is getting more cold and cold, it is becoming a bit difficult. But yes, again, discipline is something which you have to stick to, and it is going to help you to be more consistent. Now coming to the most important part of the video, results. So all these weekly activities are having a very positive impact, and I could feel that. First is that I could see inch loss, though body weight has remained constant. Second is the energy throughout the day. So the fatigueness that I was feeling for previous week has reduced significantly for this week. And by next week, I am going to complete 1 month into my body transformation journey. So I would like to share a progress report where I am going to give more visuals for the better understanding how this month has impacted and what changes are there in my body composition. So stay tuned. I will catch up with you guys in next video. Please like this video and share with someone who might find it useful. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.